Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Soraya. Placing your art in a virtual setting in situ helps your potential clients visualize the art in a room and the scale of the art. Plus, the impact it creates can be the deciding factor for your buyer to purchase your art. It gives your potential client more confidence and thus more sales for you. Without virtual rooms, it can be very difficult to, quote, see the art in place or how it would translate to different styles. Virtual rooms are an innovative way to expose your art across the globe. It will help you to expand your audience by reaching people that would never have seen your artwork otherwise. There are many virtual sites available to the artists. Some are completely free, and if you choose, there are some really great sites for nominal fees that place your art in unique settings. I've listed some of these in the description area for you. Be sure to check that out. Now, don't limit yourself to just in-room. You can also create online galleries that showcase your work which can bring audiences to your virtual opening from the comfort of their home. The possibilities are varied and many. Exhibit a new collection, mark a specific event, and reveal your artwork without physically having to do any real work at a real-life venue. The days of carting your art, hanging, etc. are gone. You can customize the virtual space that best suits your artwork to reveal it at its best advantage. You can also set a date for a grand opening and prepare teasers so that your customers know about your virtual presence. Send out emails, announce on Facebook groups, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, whatever social media you're on, let them know about it. Placing your art in a virtual room setting along with up-close images will really show off your artwork and make you sales. There is a whole world of people buying art online. Don't limit yourself. Get in on this new and exciting virtual world now. You won't regret it.